So one great thing about today is the fact we have phones. Some might say they're addictive and unhealthy for children. Some might say that we're using them too much. However, there are some very useful things on phones. For instance, apps such as GPS that let you know how to get to where you need to go without having a big floppy piece of paper. Or there's things like camera, so you can take a picture at the thing in your pocket, which is quite cool. And the app that I'm going to be sharing today is an app called To-Do. I personally like To-Do because I'm a very unorganized person. So like this here in the video on the screen is what you see when you first open it. Get back in it. Okay. So it is just a screen. I've completed everything I had to do today, technically. This included, I checked it off before I recorded, but you can go into the side and you can see all the different projects I have. Specifically right now I'm working on vacation, and what you do is you kind of just go in and make things like, what do you have to do? Oh, make a reservation at this restaurant. Oh, buy my flight ticket to New York. Oh, or get the reservation, make a down payment. That's the kind of stuff I've been using that one for. But you can use it for other things, such as I use it for school, mostly work schedules, personal things like to get this, or like what movies I want to watch, and I check it off as I go. It's just very, very helpful. And you can see today's, next 7 days, and we're going to create one called Mass Media Online, and we're going to change the color. We're going to make it pink because, I don't know, first color that pops up. And now you can add things. So like I'm going to add something such as internet reading and quiz, and we're just going to hit submit. And then we're also going to create internet activity, and we're going to put due at 11. And why I like this is because you pop up right there, and it's like on your phone, so you can see what you have to do. So if you're forgetful like me, and it tells you what time, and you can just check it off, and it disappears, and it's like a game. Like, you just feel accomplished. I don't know, and there's many different filters, labels, projects you can create. Today is empty. Next 7 days is empty because I haven't been keeping up to date on things like what comes up next for schoolwork, but I have been keeping up with my projects that I created, like the vacation. That's the main thing I use it for, is the projects. I typically make one for each individual like class I have, and I just write down what assignments are due. I typically go by the syllabus because the syllabus typically does say when things are to be turned in. And it's like a game. You finish it, you check it off, you feel good about yourself. And these are one of the apps that I feel is very, very useful. Thank you.